UCAM has been a pioneer in rotary table manufacturing, known for delivering solutions to the machining industries. Today's seminar is designed to showcase how UCAM advanced rotary tables can significantly boost your machining productivity.
Just I wanted to share the case studies, some of the which we learned from you, which we learned and we implemented, and we have given this solution to the various industry. But after learning from you, we have learned how to use a table in the best effective way. One of the example, various case studies what we are given for our tilting table.
So Nimble Machines was established with a vision to be a global player in the gear manufacturing solutions. Currently, we have two lineup of machines, namely the Vajra gear hobbing machines and the Tarang spiral bevel gear generator.
Our experience of using UCAM rotary tables had so far been very good. We had been using it for more than 15 years. One rotary table, the best part was that after 15 years when we wanted to change, it was hardly 1 hour's job. The old model, new model were compatible and we could change it in less than 1 hour.
आम्ही VMC मशीन वापरतो. VMC साठी आपल्याला सर्वांना माहिती आहे की UCAM लागतो 4th ॲक्सेससाठी. तर आम्ही UCAM जेव्हा वापरला तर आम्हाला त्याच्यात एक प्लस पॉईंट हा मिळाला की आमचं कमी वेळात जास्त आउटपुट मिळायला लागलं. त्यांची जी ॲक्युरसी आहेत ती एकदम छान ॲक्युरसी मिळायला लागली.
तर आम्ही कटिंग टूल्स इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये आहे आणि आम्हाला कटिंग टूल्स इंडस्ट्रीजमध्ये 4 ॲक्सिसमध्ये आम्ही पूर्वी काम करायचो आणि त्यानंतर काय व्हायचं की 5 ॲक्सिस मशीन्स या ज्या होत्या त्या फार कॉस्टली होत्या आणि त्याच्यासाठी पर्याय म्हणून UCAMने जे टिल्टिंग टेबल हे लॉन्च केलं आणि त्यामुळे आमच्या प्रोडक्टमध्ये एफिशियन्सी वाढली.
I am using the UCAM rotary tables since from the 3 years. Now the UCAM is the very good solution in the automobile industry to reduce the cycle time, to enhance the efficiency, and it is the cost impactful and good solutions for the automobile industries.
We are utilizing UCAM Nimble 250 machine, hobbing machine since 8 years. Especially we are using it for spline hobbing, different type of shafts. We are getting its accuracy within 10 microns. We are well satisfied from UCAM.
Organized a seminar for the customers in Sambhajinagar, and we are very happy to tell that we have got very good feedback and very good response. In this occasion, I would like to invite all the customers to come and visit IMTEX 2025, which is organized at BIC Bangalore, Karnataka, and we are present in hall number 1. So please visit and witness the new technology which we are displaying in the IMTEX.